home yet. Feels like I'm in Ukraine.
We are. Oh my god, that was a long ride from Warsaw. But here we are, almost in Kiev, waiting for Alex's dad to pick us up to go to the village. Real, genuine Ukrainian village. Did it really come all the way from Canada to here? That's gonna be fun.
Маджахетки маленькі.
That's safe.
Safety third.
After 2 days of overnight buses and right now like 16 hours in the train, we're taking it like really chill today. You know, Alec hasn't seen his dad for a long time, so we're just gonna relax and just kind of settle in and eat some good Ukrainian food and just hang out today, you know, at the village. One thing I'm hoping we're gonna have time to do is to test out the new drone that Alex bought. It arrived to our house about 2 days before our departure for Europe, and it was just raining all the time, and we were just so busy with like all the finishing touches of like, you know, cleaning the apartment and doing all the like packing and everything, so we never actually flew it and never actually tested it. And I think the village is kind of the perfect place to test it out, so hopefully that's like the one big thing we're gonna do today. Hey, that wasn't so bad of a flight. The one thing was that it took a long time to set up, so we didn't actually have enough battery left to like fly for a long time, but it was a good first flight. Confident for tomorrow. I think we're gonna have more battery, so we're gonna fly some more. Hey, it is the next day today, and I didn't know that before I came here, but actually there's this tradition. Right now it is 1 week after the Orthodox Easter, and today's this day where everybody goes to the cemetery to kind of remember the dead and kind of see family and drink to the dead. So obviously it's not really an appropriate day for a vlog. We're just going to the cemetery, then we're going back to the house, and we're gonna have like a family dinner type thing. We are gonna fly the drone, so I'm gonna like include some sick day 2 drone footage, but other than that there's gonna be actually no vlog for this day, because you know, it's just not the kind of day that you wanna get into people's faces with a camera. There's always tomorrow for the next vlog.